Friends, today I'm going to make a Karak chai, which is very famous here in place where I stay. So I need 2 cups of water. I'm going to take this big cups because I like big cup. And then I need sugar. I need tea masala powder. I need cardamom, which is also called elaichi. I need rainbow milk. I use this milk because I like it. Red label is a perfect tea powder for Karak chai. I will use 2 of this spoon. If you have a teaspoon, you can use 4, and just leave it to boil. Once you can see that is getting mixed up, you can see it's boiling. I'm going to add cardamom. Yeah, I like a lot of cardamom because I like the smell of it. Now this is optional. If you don't like, you don't have to put it. I'm also going to add some masala tea powder. Now again, this is optional. If you don't like, you don't put it, but it's always good to have some spice in your tea to give you refreshing feel. This is how it will look after some time. So let it come to boil, and then I'm going to have my rainbow milk. You can use fresh milk if you like, but I prefer this milk because it will give a very nice color to your tea, just like you're buying from outside. And mix it up using a teaspoon just to see if it's perfect color for you. I prefer a little bit light, but if you want dark, put some less. Yeah, just mix it up, let it come to boil, and usually I like to add my sugar in the last, where if my husband don't like too much sugar, he can have less. Yeah, so I need a whisk. I need 2 teaspoons of sugar for my cup. Drainer thingy to drain my tea, just not to have any particles of tea powder. I'm making a 2 cups of tea, Karak chai, yeah, as you know, and just drain it. Once you drain it, you can see it's boiling. It's a beautiful color. I have drained it, and this is how it looks like. Just mix it and have it with cookies, or maybe with some spices or something, but I prefer just to sometimes. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.